Here I am gonna explain about today Kenya Power Limited Company, about power system KPLC, how the power will be. So here also like our mobile type, like postpaid and prepaid, two types we have. So for this, like postpaid means they need to pay advance 20,000 shillings or 50,000 shillings or 1 lakh shillings based on their house range, like that they should have to be deposit initially something, and after that if it is finished they should have to be recharged. So ours in our apartment we are using has like a prepaid, so we need to be recharged how much we required. So now we have only 0.25 units, 0.25, it's not 25 units. So when it will be finished off, we need to be recharged before, otherwise we will not get the power. So generally ours is 2 BHK. So for our range of the maintenance in a day, it will be takes around like 5 to 6 units in a day, because of we have the solar also. So even solar it will comes under in our power usage only. So it's hardly like in a day for 2 members or 2 to 3 members in a family, it's take around 6 to 7 units. So here 1 unit charge will be 25 shillings. So if we recharge for 100 shillings, we'll get 4 units. So we should have to be recharged per day 200 shillings. So ours it was like per month 6,000 to 8,000 range, because if we use sometime fan and grinder, mixie, so if we use like that it will takes around like 8,000 shillings in month. Otherwise normally means it's take 6,000 per family. It's over our units. Like now I am going to be recharged. So how the process it was, I am going to show you today. You guys have a look. So this was our KPLC power mission, prepaid mission. So I already said you right. So ours is going to be complete off. Like now we have like 0.25. So now we are going to be doing a recharge. So here we have postpaid cards. We'll get the KPLC cards also, but we don't have that KPLC card. So we are going to be paid through, how in India we going to be pay like using Paytm, Google Pay, Phone Pay. Here also we have like M-Paisa app. So using that M-Paisa app we can pay the bills like pay bill. Using that we need to be bill number and account number, and we need to enter the amount. So here we have the 11 digits of the account number. We need to be enter here, and then we need to do the process. So here pay bill number for our society, like or else community or else apartment, will be the same for all the flats. So it will be common pay bill number, and account number here the power bill mission they will give 11 digits of the number. We need to enter here account number, and how much recharge we need to do, we have to enter the amount. Now we gonna do the process. So we have the common pay bill number for all the apartments, so that will be the like X numbers, and account number we are going to be enter now 372211 37286. It will be in the KPLC power mission board. This will be the account number. So for all the missions, for each individual mission will be the account number will be the different thing. And suppose if I do want to the recharge of 100 shillings, so now I entered 100. So then next I will be do the continue, and the process is going on. So here that KPLC prepaid, it's KPLC prepaid, and pay bill number and account number, and enter the amount. Now we can pay. So like this we gonna do the KPLC power prepaid. If it is a postpaid, I said you right, we need to deposit something before. So now it has done successfully. See here we got the message, KPLC token, MTR number, and date of units, and amount how much, and token amount, everything will be get a message. We need to enter here. So here we got the token number. We have to enter the token number in this like power mission. Then we'll get the units. It will display here. Now we can see the process. Now we got the token number right. So that number we gonna enter here. Like it should be 13582854. Token number we are going to be enter in the through the mission. So then we'll get the total. So after entering the token number, we have to do enter. Then we'll get total units here. So we got finally 6.2, and we have previous it should be like 0.2. So now our units will be like 6.4. This is the process of here KPLC, Kenya Power Limited company. So this is the power system process here. Based on tariff rates, it may decrease and it may increase also. We don't know when it will be increase and when it will be decrease. So this is the today's based on tariff rate. We got for 100 shillings 6.1 units, and before it was like when we did the recharge means like it was on in the month of Feb 4th or Feb 5th we did. It was like around the units like for 100 shillings 5.8 units, and in the month of Jan it was like 4.1. See here, Jan 31st we did for 100 shillings, we got it as 4.1 units, and in the month of February 4th we got it as 5.8, and today we got it as like for 100 shillings 6.1 units. Based on tariff rates, it may be increase and it may be decreases. So this is the complete process of KPLC power system prepaid. So guys, I hope you like this. If you like, please do a subscribe, comment and share to your friends and family members. Love you all. Bye. Take care. Stay home. Stay healthy. From me, Manjari.